What if I told you India's most iconic street food wasn't born in the kitchen? It was born in the backseat of a car in Mumbai. Yes, I am talking about the Tips Frankie. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are discussing how some of the most common brands have become cultural icons in the Indian history. We are breaking down the journey of Tips Frankie from a Lebanese inspiration to a quick bite on the Indian streets. The year 1967, Amarjit Singh Tib was flying back, and on the way he had a stopover at Beirut. Here, he tried the Lebanese pita wrap and loved it, but India needed an Indian version of it. That's when he got back, and he and his wife Surinder Kaur started their experiments in the kitchen. After months of experiments with gravies and masalas and whatnot Indian, the Frankie was born. In 1969, they sold their first Frankie out of the back of their car at Powai. Here's an interesting story about the name, Tips Frankie. So there was a match of India versus West Indies, and that's when Sir Frank Worrell actually smashed a 6 out of the park, and the whole crowd cheered, "Frankie, Frankie." Amarjit loved it and trademarked the name Frankie, and that's how Tips Frankie was born. Over the years, Tips Frankie did something really smart. Instead of having stalls here and there, they actually standardized Indian street food by having a centralized kitchen for the Tips Frankie masala, having trained staff, having a kiosk style small shop, and an affordable menu that all age groups could afford. Here's the best part. The franchise model of Tips Frankie is extremely low investment, low on royalty, and extremely scalable. This has allowed them to spread over 200 cities and even to Dubai. In Dubai, they have also customized their menus to match the local food flavors. Every journey comes with its own set of challenges. Number one, and the most obvious one, was as they gained success, the market rolled out with many roll style options like shawarmas and kathi rolls and whatnot. Then came the copycats. So they were copying the name Frankie, and Tips Frankie actually issued multiple legal notices that they are not allowed to use the name Frankie. Then of course there was the challenge of maintaining consistency, because they wanted to provide the same taste, the same flavor at every outlet. Customer expectations change over the period of time. So there is another challenge that they need to keep evolving according to what their customers are demanding. Despite all of this, they kept evolving, they kept innovating, and Tips Frankie, originated in Mumbai, is still one of the most favorite Frankies that Mumbai has seen. Tips Frankie isn't just a fast food brand. It is actually a slice of 50-year-old culinary history of India. From a Lebanese inspiration to an Indian classic, from Powai to Dubai, it is a home-style recipe to a nationwide QSR network. This is Tips Frankie for you. And this is Marketing Uncharted, and I am Kanika Mathur. If you've liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.